Hello, I'm Oshishino Victor Damlori, and you are welcome to Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials for beginners. So I welcome you to this program, and then I very much assure you that by the end of the program you will be a professional Microsoft Office Word creator. So without much ado, let's roll the intro. Oh, you are welcome back. At the end of this section, you are going to understand how to launch the Microsoft Office Word software and how you to identify the various features that is present in Microsoft Office Word. So let's get started. How do you launch a Microsoft Office Word software? In order to launch this software, you must have installed the software on your system. Actually, Microsoft Office Word 2007 is a very popular software that most engineer, most technician must have installed it on the system. However, if you don't have Microsoft Office Word on your system, you can take it to any technician, or you can do it by yourself and you install. But there are versions of Microsoft Office Word, but don't worry, you can use 2003, you can use 2010, you can use 2016. This tutorial will cover everything. So let's check out how to launch Microsoft Office Word. The very first thing you have to do is look at this desktop area of my system that I am highlighting here. There are some times that the software might appear on the desktop screen as a shortcut. You can quickly check. If you see any shortcut like this on your system, then you can launch it, but I don't have it on my system here, so that is why you can search at your search bar. You can just come to your window menu and just type Office Word as a keyword. Now before you finish, you will see a series of Microsoft Office corporations that are in there. We have Microsoft Office Word 2007, OneNote, Picture Manager, Office InfoPath, Office Diagnostics. We are still going to talk about that, but we are going into Microsoft Office Word. So you have to double click in order to open this software. So I double click and then hit launch. So I have entered into the Microsoft Office Word 2007. So now let's go into the basic features of Microsoft Office Word 2007. They are very important. These features are so much important. Now the very first thing we have to check out is the Office button. Now look at it at your Microsoft software. Depending on what you are using, you will see this logo here. It is called Office button. Now if you look at it, it says click here to open, save or print, and to see everything else you do with your document. Once you click on it, it means you can do a whole lot of stuff in this place. You can open a new document, you can open an existing document, you can save as, you can print, you can prepare. We are going to check out how that one is. And then another feature is quick access toolbar. Look at it. These are the quick access toolbar. We have save, we have them at this place. What are the functions of quick access toolbar? They provide a set of frequency use command. They are used to save, you can use to undo, you can use to redo, to repeat. These are just what these tools are meant for. We are going to talk about it as time goes by. Now we have something we call ribbon, Microsoft ribbon. Microsoft ribbon, these are the Microsoft ribbon. This ribbon provides you with a set of tools that are relevant to what you are currently doing. Now, for example, in this home ribbon, these are what is and the home ribbon. We have normal title. Now, if I click on insert, these are the insert ribbon. So all these, they are the ribbon. Once I click on the ribbon, it brings in an option at this place. Now, another feature that is very important is the title bar. The title bar displays the name of the program and the name of the current document. Now, we have not started working on this Microsoft Office Word, and then the automatic name for it is Document 1 Microsoft. So once you save it, the name in which you used to save that your document will appear at this very place. Then another feature that you have to understand is the window control. The window control allows you to change the size of a window. Now, if I click these three are the Windows control. If I click on this, I've minimized, and then I can come back to it. If I click on this, I minimize rather, and then if I click on this place, it means close. I close my system. However, I can click on this place back, and then everything will be back to my system. Microsoft Office 2007 have a whole lot of features, but as we go deeper into this course, we are going to explore all these features. Then another feature you have to note is the ruler. Now at this very place, it is called vertical scroll bar. Can you see I'm scrolling? There are some situations whereby you will type and then you have to scroll down to see what you have typed. So that is a work that it is doing, scroll bar. And then another one, we have the status and information bar. This very place is now let me type. Now can you see we have page 1 of 1. The very first word is this words 1. If I press space, it's just counting our words. That is the bar that displays useful information about your document, like I said, such as the page count and the number of words that you have on your system. Also, we have what is called zoom tools and the features. Looking at this place, the zoom, if I come down here, you see that it reduces, but the normal one is 100%. I can make it big, I can make it wide if you want to see what you are working on. And also, this is the text area. This blank space is the text area where you can work on your system, on your Microsoft Office Word. And then the last one is Microsoft Office will also give you the options for viewing the documents, and there are lots. We have a print layout. If you click on this place, this is a print layout, and then if you click on this is a full screen reading. Then you can easily close it here, and then you come back to this page. These are the outline. All these we are going to check out at our next tutorial. So I believe you have gained 1 or 2 things in this introduction to Microsoft Office Word 2007. I want you to stay tuned as we are going to be cruising along in the journey of Microsoft Office Word. Please, if you gain something from this video, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell, so as it will encourage us, it will encourage me to keep posting meaningful video. So I'm waiting for you in the next video. Bye and bye.